Let us see more sums on range of K using Routh-Hurwitz criterion. S power 4 S cube 1 K 5 10 10K S square equal to 5K minus 10 upon K, and 10K will come here. S power 1 5K minus 10 upon K multiplied by 10 minus 10K square upon 5K minus 10 upon K. S power 0 is 10K. So what are the conditions? The conditions are, the first condition is K must be greater than 0. K must be greater than 0. The second condition is 5K minus 10 upon K must be greater than 0 means 5K must be greater than 10 or K must be greater than 10 by 5. Therefore, K must be greater than 2. If it is greater than 2 means automatically it will be greater than 0. That's why this condition can be ignored. This is first condition. K must be greater than 2. Second condition, from S power 1 row we can get 5K minus 10 upon K multiplied by 10 minus 10K square must be greater than 0. Or we can say that 5K minus 10 multiplied by 10 minus 10K cube must be greater than 0. Or okay. So 5K 10 is getting cancelled. 5K minus 10 minus K cube must be greater than 0, or minus 5K plus 10 plus K cube must be less than 0. If you do roots of these are, one of the roots equal to one of the roots is equal to 2 minus 2.9055. Therefore, we can do synthetic division and and it can be written as, this polynomial can be written as K plus 2.9055, and if you do synthetic division you will get K square minus 2.9055K plus 3.442 should be less than 0. So already we got one condition, K must be greater than 2. K must be less than minus 2.9055. K must be less than, if you put less than, say 3, if you put 3, this becomes negative. Minus 3, if you put here, this becomes negative. If you put minus 3, this becomes positive. This is also positive. Therefore, always this is positive for negative values of K. This is always positive. This is negative, will be less than 0. Therefore, K must be less than minus 2.9055. So the first condition is K must be greater than 2. Second condition is it must be less than minus 2.9055. It is not possible to satisfy both conditions. One condition is K must be greater than 2. Another condition is K must be less than minus 2.9055. It is not possible to satisfy both conditions. Therefore, for all values of k, all values of k, k unstable. It is not possible to satisfy both conditions.